Hello, I felt like during lockdown it'd be a good time to try to break some world records. I saw that the world record for solving a small Rubik's Cube, which is what I have in my hand here, is 0.49 seconds, so less than half a second. So I've always been pretty great at Rubik's Cubes, so I'm going to give it a go here. Right, 3, 2, 1. Yep. That's all the blue there, and all the other sides are the same. So I think I was just outside the world record, but I gave it a go, and that's the main thing. So maybe we could all try to break some world records and get as close as I did. Good luck.